For those seeking top-rated window replacement Gaithersburg, look no further. Our Gaithersburg window replacement experts provide comprehensive window replacement Gaithersburg services, ensuring your home or business benefits from the best window replacement Gaithersburg MD has to offer. Whether you need residential window replacement or commercial window services, our team is equipped to handle all your needs. Energy-efficient windows are a must for any property owner in Gaithersburg MD. Our energy-saving windows Gaithersburg solutions not only reduce your energy bills, but also enhance the comfort of your home. With our custom window solutions, you can choose from a variety of styles, including double-hung windows, casement windows, and sliding window replacement options. Vinyl window replacement is a popular choice for those looking to upgrade their windows. Our Gaithersburg window upgrade professionals specialize in providing affordable window services Gaithersburg residents can trust. From window frame replacement to window glass replacement, we ensure your windows are in top condition. For those interested in bay window installation, our bay window experts Gaithersburg MD offer unparalleled expertise. We also provide storm window installation and storm windows Gaithersburg MD services to protect your home from harsh weather conditions. Our window sealing services and window sealing Gaithersburg MD solutions ensure your windows are airtight and energy efficient. Window replacement services are essential for maintaining the longevity of your windows. Our Gaithersburg MD window replacement specialists are skilled in window frame replacement and window hardware replacement. We also offer window maintenance Gaithersburg services to keep your windows functioning smoothly. Custom windows Gaithersburg MD are perfect for those looking to add a personal touch to their home. Our window design consultation and window design Gaithersburg MD services help you choose the perfect windows for your space. With our window measurement services and Gaithersburg window measurement services, we ensure a perfect fit every time. Window contractors Gaithersburg are known for their expertise in window screen installation and window screen services Gaithersburg. Our Gaithersburg window hardware experts provide top-notch window hardware replacement to enhance the functionality of your windows. We also offer window tinting Gaithersburg services for added privacy and UV protection. Skylight installation is another specialty of our skylight experts, Gaithersburg MD. We provide comprehensive skylight solutions to brighten up your home. Our window warranty Gaithersburg and window warranty services Gaithersburg ensure peace of mind with every installation. For those in need of window replacement services, our Gaithersburg window glass experts are here to help. We offer window glass replacement and Gaithersburg window frame specialists services to restore your windows to their original condition. Our local window replacement Gaithersburg services are designed to meet the unique needs of our community.